Star Tours, 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me. You don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh!
Don't shoot!
Prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am
We know
C-3PO.
you have this rebel spy on board.
I've never seen that human before. Oh dear. Gotta go!
Don't underestimate my power.
No!
I want that spy.
Someone could get hurt! What's the order? Thrusters? Are they important?
Star Tours, this is a restricted area. What are you doing here?
I have no idea.
Stay clear of the combat zone.
Combat zone? Oh, no! We've been hit! Brace yourselves! Nobody move! I mean everybody move! Lean back! No, didn't leave! Oh, don't do something! A transmission.
I am Princess Leia of Alderaan. We've placed a rebel spy vital to the survival of the rebellion into your star speeder. You must see them safely delivered to the coordinates I'm transmitting to your R2 unit. This is our most desperate hour. Help me, Star Tours. You're my only hope.
Our only hope. What do you mean we'll be making a slight detour? Oh, I don't like the look of this. Yes, I do believe these are verbal. Earlier are the legendary spaceways, quite extraordinary and so serene.
Star Tours. It's 2 against 1 here. Could use some help.
Oh, will it ever end?
Nicely done, Star Tours. Appreciate the help.
R2-D2, don't you dare!
Safe travels. Good to see you again, R2.
ST-1401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight and look out!
That's my ship.
On behalf of Star Tours, thank you for joining us.
You've been a lot of